Alright, where are we at, Chris?
We're at Aria.
We're at Aria. Yep, we'll show our bags with our leftovers. They give you cute bags for leftovers from Moneyline. And Mr. Chris has chosen
Peace and long life.
Peace and Long Life.
$1 bet. On a penny.
Dollar bet, penny. Here we go. Continuing our MGM slot challenge.
Is that good? Long
Yep,
enough?
I like the sounds on this one.
Ooh, got some wild.
Shay. We're full. We had a good lunch, a good dinner at Moneyline.
Yep.
And the sandwich. Good dessert, ice cream with brownie. Ooh, you went big time there, Chris.
3, 3, and 304.
Yeah, you had a 4 of a kind there. We need 6 balls here, so come on. Bonus or bust? We want a bonus. Ooh, got 4. We need 6.
I need 3 of those, I'm guessing.
We need 3 apples.
Yeah.
We need a full board of Peace Man. Everybody always names the characters on the boards. What do you think he looks like?
Ooh, I don't know.
I don't know either. His green eyes look like Yoda. We got 4 of a kind there. We're good, thanks. Come on, throw us some balls. We need balls. We haven't had any. We got deers. He sits down. Did he literally win on the first one? He sure did. He won on his first spin. And he won. And there's a 20.
Honey.
Yeah!
Now throw me down to mine.
Now it's a hold and spin. Big numbers bring big
Ready?
numbers, says Brian Christopher. So here we go. And you got your little bracelets on, so fill the board. Fill the board.
I want to see words. Oh, I gotta hit it?
Yeah, sometimes. I don't know. Sometimes they go themselves. Sometimes they want you to hit it.
Mine is going by.
I saw $4. Yeah, I do see words going by. Fill the board. We'll take the grand.
Yeah.
We're not going to complain.
Come on,
One
baby.
more and
Do
go.
it.
Come on, $10, $10.
It's all right. Gotta be almost $40.
I think it's 42. Be a nice win. Chris got a win. Chris got a win.
Yeah, all I need to do is get some.
Well, because he's got to come back because he didn't get any wins this morning. And
Not at all.
make sure you're following our. This is our MGM challenge. We also did a Caesars challenge.
Yeah,
So make sure to check both the videos out.
That's what Linda does.
And all right.
How many
So
is it?
he's gonna play it down to
45?
45. All right. Give it a couple of backups. Because we've been getting backup bonuses, so.
And that's it?
You can play a 50-cent one if you want. Oh, I would have died if that had been another bonus. All right, cashing out.